my name is Pearl from Ghana, a mother of a 14-year-old boy who was sickle cell. Was because he's no longer sickle cell after doing a bone marrow transplant. It has been successfully done in Aster CMI Hospital under the care of Dr. Stanley and Dr. Raghuram, and then the able nurses in the BMT unit. Jude has been sickle cell since 9 months of birth, and then has been under sickle cell management from 9 months till the age of 12, 13, thereabout, when he was diagnosed of silent strokes that they call acute chest syndrome, some with pain, some without pain, but he doesn't look good to go to school, being on admission for months, for weeks, and then also affected me personally. I had to be out of work. I had to establish my own small business to have time, not because when you do your own business you have time, but to be able to squeeze that time that's working on my own and taking care of him at the same time. So it's been tough, it's been rough having a sickle cell child. With silent strokes, the only way out is to do a bone marrow transplant or manage him on monthly chronic transfusion. Also comes with the side effect of managing his iron level, and that also came with a lot of complications to deal with. So we finally decided to have the bone marrow transplant done. And then on our insurance from VRA, a coordinator called us and told us about Aster CMI Hospital in India and connected me with Dr. Stanley to have a discussion, and if I am okay, we agree and come to Bangalore, Aster CMI, for the transplant to be done. Just few minutes discussion with Dr. Stanley, I was convinced, and then we came down to India, Bangalore, for about 5 months now, 3 months for investigations, and then 2 months for the transplant, and finally the transplant is done. We are now on post-transplant follow-up. Thank God we are finally out of that. Just few weeks after transplant, and there has not been any pain. I asked Jude and he says, "Mom, I sleep, and then when I wake up, I'm not worried, I'm not scared. Before I open my eyes, I'll be thinking through my head, where do I feel pain? Where do I feel pain?" But now I'm relieved. I wake up and I know there is no pain anywhere.